science of today is the technology of tomorrow. Science is the way of thinking, much more that it is a body of knowledge. We all know we are celebrating our World Science Day on November 10th every year. Today, our GK Shetty Vivekananda Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School 9th Standard students are going to perform a program based on World Science Day. Let us watch.
प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुर् नमस्ते यतिराजाय विवेकानन्दशूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे.
Namaste. Here's the speech on World Science Day. World Science Day for Peace and Development is an international day that is celebrated every year on November 9. It highlights the important role of science that is played in our everyday life and in our society. The significance of World Science Day is to engage wider public in debates and discussions on emerging scientific issues. It was proclaimed by United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO in 2001 and was first celebrated in 2002. At the first, the impact of science and its profound societal implications, including its ethical nature, made scientific literacy a prerequisite for effective democratic processes. At the World Conference in Budapest in Hungary in July 1999, co-organized by UNESCO and the International Science Council, many of the delegates voiced support for the greater public awareness of science. The delegations of Ethiopia and Malawi, including the British Association for the Advancement in Science, proposed that a World Science Day or a World Science Week be created. Thus, World Science Day was created. There are some objectives of World Science Day. They are strengthen public awareness of science to make our society more sustainable and peaceful, promote national and international solidarity for shared science between the countries, renew national and international commitments for the use of science and for the benefit of the society, and to draw attention for the challenges of science and to support for the scientific endeavor. These are the objectives of World Science Day. By linking science more in our everyday life, World Science Day aims to ensure that citizens are kept informed of the advancements in science. It also underscores the role scientists play in broadening our understanding of our planet and making our societies more sustainable. World Science Day says that encourages us to organize events and activities on World Science Day for the government, school pupils, students, media, etc. Let us also celebrate World Science Day scientifically. Science is everywhere. Thank you.
Namaste. My name is T. Imbawanan of 9P. I am going to show you an experiment named water fountain by using plastic bottle, balloon, scissors and a straw. To prepare this, we have to make a hole in the plastic bottle and put the straw in the hole and fill the water. So blow a balloon and tie it in the mouth of the bottle. Slowly release the air in the balloon. Now the water are forced to come out of the bottle by the straw. Due to this, it looks like a wonderful water fountain. Let's see what is happening here clearly. When we release the air from the balloon, it creates a pressure to the water in the bottle. Due to this, the water are forced to come out of the bottle through the straw. Thank you. Namaste.
Benefits of science for our society. Science is one of the most important channels of knowledge. It has a specific role as well as a variety of functions for the benefits of our society, creating new knowledge, improving education, increasing the quality of our lives. Science must respond to societal needs and global challenges. Scientific knowledge allows us to develop new technologies, solve practical problems, and make the informed decision both collectively and individually. Because its products are so useful, new scientific knowledge may lead to new applications. An application of science is any use of scientific knowledge or a specific purpose, whether to do more science, to design a product, process, or medical treatment, to develop a new technology. Thank you.
வணக்கம். தொழில்நுட்பத்தில் அறிவியல் வளர்ச்சி. குரங்கிலிருந்து மனிதன் பிறந்தது அறிவியல் முதல் வளர்ச்சி. நெருப்பை கண்டது தொழில்நுட்ப வளர்ச்சி. உணவை சமைத்தது அறிவியல் வளர்ச்சி. பட்டுநூலை பிரித்தது ஆடை உலகின் வளர்ச்சி. பஞ்சபூதங்களை கண்டது ஐவகை ஆற்றலின் வளர்ச்சி. நீர்நிலங்களை கண்டது விவசாயத்தின் வளர்ச்சி. உரமிட்டு செலுத்தது அறிவியலின் வளர்ச்சி. சக்கரத்தை கண்டது தொழில்நுட்ப வளர்ச்சி. சந்திராயனை கண்டது அறிவியலின் வளர்ச்சி. பூமியின் ஆழத்தை கண்டது தொழில்நுட்ப வளர்ச்சி. உலோகத்தை பிரித்தது அணுத்துறையின் வளர்ச்சி. கைபேசியில் பேசத் தொடங்கியது தொழில்நுட்ப வளர்ச்சி. கணினி வலைதளத்தை வளர்த்தது அறிவியலின் வளர்ச்சி. நாடுகள் தாண்டிய பயணம் தொழில்நுட்ப வளர்ச்சி. உலகம் தாண்டிய பயணம் அறிவியலின் வளர்ச்சி. தானாக இயங்கி தொழில்நுட்பத்தை வளர்த்தான். தானியங்கியை கண்டுபிடித்து அறிவியலை வளர்த்தான். அணுக்கள் 1000 அறிவியல் 1000. இயந்திரம் 1000 நிற்கும் கணினியும் 1000. உழவும் தொழிலும் 1000 ஊட்டமிகு உரமும் வளமும் 1000. எண்ணியதும் 1000 ஏற்றமிகு தொழில்நுட்பமும் 1000. ஐவகை நிலமும் காணினும் கூட கோபுரங்கள் 1000. ஒன்றிணைந்து கண்ட புதுமைகள் 1000. ஓராண்டுக்கு முன் வந்த கொரோனாவுக்கு கண்டறிந்த ஊடகமும் அந்த 1000. தடுப்பூசிகளும் 1000. தற்காப்பு நடவடிக்கைகளும் 1000. எவ்வகை நோயாகினும் மனித குலத்தை காக்கும் தொழில்நுட்பமும் 1000. வீழ்ந்தாலும் ஆண்டாலும் நாடு விட்டு நாடு காக்க நீட்டப்படும் நேசக்கரங்களும் 10,000. வாழ்க மனித குலம், வளர்க அறிவியல் வளர்ச்சி, ஓங்குக தொழில்நுட்பத்தில் மனித நேயம். நன்றி.
Namaste to all. Let us hear some science fact. While awake, your brain generates between 10 and 23 watts of power, or enough energy to power a light bulb. The sun is not the largest star. It only seems larger because it is closer to Earth than all other stars. Drinking 1 glass hot water just after waking up increases immunity, blood flow, and gives you a glowing skin. The smell of an orange relieves stress. Smelling an orange or eating one can reduce stress by over 70%.
The benefits of science in our society. What is meant by science? The study of knowledge about the physical world and natural laws. Science is a systematic enterprise that builds knowledge and organizes knowledge in the form of testable explanation and prediction about the universe. Potential applications may motivate scientific investigations. New scientific knowledge may lead to new applications. Benefits of science. It is a process of way of building knowledges about the universes, constructing new ideas about the society. Science generates solutions for everyday life and helps us to answer the great mysteries of the society. It has a specific role and as well as variety of functions for the benefits of the people, creating new ideas, creating knowledges, improving the benefits of the people. Science must respond with the social needs and global challenges. Public understanding with enjoyment with science and citizen participation.
Namaste, I'm S. Madhumita of 9E. Today I'm going to do an experiment acid and base. Materials required: spoon, bowl, turmeric powder, detergent, lemon, a glass of water. Procedure: Take the spoon. Now in this bowl we add a small amount of turmeric powder. Now we pour small amount of water in it. Mix the solution. Now the color is yellow in color. In this solution we add a small amount of detergent in it. Mix well. Now the yellow color changes to reddish brown. In this solution we add a small amount of lemon in it. Mix the solution. The reddish brown changes to yellow color. This is because turmeric powder is natural indicator. It does not change color with acid. It changes color with base, the reddish brown.
Namaste, I am here to say about the Nobel Prize winner C.V. Raman. Full name of C.V. Raman, Chandrasekhara Venkat Raman. He is Hindu Tamil Brahmin. C.V. Raman was born in Tamil Nadu state at Tiruchirappalli, Madras. Presidency, British India on 7th November 1888. C.V. Raman's father was a teacher who teaches physics and mathematics. Raman married Lokasundari Ammal on 6 May 1907. They had two sons, Chandrasekhara Raman and Venkat Raman Radhakrishnan. He was studied in Aloysius Anglo-Indian High School. He completes his BA and MA in the University of Madras. C.V. Raman has won gold medal in physics and English in 1904. In 1930, Raman became the first Asian to receive Nobel Prize in Science field. List of awards: Fellow of Royal Society, Matteucci Medal, Huckes Medal, Knight Bachelor, Nobel Prize in Physics, Bharat Ratna, Lenin Peace Prize. Thank you.